At Carepatron, we are constantly looking at ways to improve. If you have any feedback on how we can improve our videos and resources, please leave us a comment in the comment section below. A physical exam checklist is a structured, systematic tool used by healthcare professionals to ensure comprehensive assessment of a patient's health. It guides practitioners through essential components of a physical examination, promoting consistency, thorough documentation, and early detection of health issues. Here's what's typically assessed: patient identification and history, medical background, lifestyle habits, medications, chief complaint, the main reason for the visit, vital signs, blood pressure, heart rate, respiratory rate, and temperature, general appearance, observations about hygiene, mood, and behavior, systematic physical exam covering skin, head and neck, eyes, ears, mouth and throat, heart and lungs, abdomen and gastrointestinal system, genitalia, rectum, musculoskeletal, and neurological health. For female patients, the annual physical exam checklist includes breast exam and mammography, pelvic exam, pap smear, and HPV testing, cervical and colorectal cancer screenings, cholesterol and blood pressure monitoring, menstrual, reproductive, and sexual health history. These exams are essential for early detection and long-term health planning. To use the checklist, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Access or download the template. Obtain the template digitally or in print via platforms like Carepatron. Step 2. Input patient data. Fill in personal and medical information to tailor the checklist. Step 3. Conduct and document the exam. Use the checklist to assess relevant body systems and record findings clearly and thoroughly. Step 4. Interpret results and educate. Review outcomes, identify concerns, and educate the patient on health risks or needed changes. Step 5. Plan follow-up. Schedule tests, refer specialists, and set health goals based on exam findings. Step 6. Secure the documentation. Ensure all patient data is stored securely in compliance with privacy regulations. The physical exam checklist is more than paperwork. It's your partner in delivering patient-centered preventive care. Start using your checklist today to enhance accuracy, save time, and improve outcomes, one exam at a time. You can learn more about topics like the physical exam checklist template in our guides library on our Carepatron website. Visit our website and sign up for free. If this video is helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more of our content.